Hi, good morning, yeah. See my kunda papu. How to make? I will show. Come on. Today we are making pesarapapu, palakura pesarapapu. Okay, pesarapapu means this is a moong dal. Okay, you have to soak it for 1 hour is the best actually. If not possible, you can make it like that only. I always make it in the mud pot. The taste itself very nice. Yeah, how to make? Already I soaked it. I kept it. Now I am adding the onions. You have to cut the onions like big one. Now chilies also, this is my garden, not very spicy. Then how much you wanted, you can put it like this. Okay, that's what I told you here. Very easy poosy, yeah. In my house the kitchen work is so like this. Now you can add the little bit this one haldi powder, turmeric powder. Very less only you have to add because the palak, no. And this is the sesame oil. Little bit I'm adding the sesame oil. Now we have to boil. Come on. See, this is my palak, that 1/3 cup. That's all. This much is enough. Don't add more. The taste won't be nice actually. Now we have to cut it small. I told don't cut it like that. Will be bitterness. It will come. That only tip actually. Okay. Yeah, like this. Bark, careful of your hands and nicely chop. Yes. And once it's boiled, then we have to add the palak. See, yeah, now I kept it for the boiling. Every time I won't miss this one. Every time I'm trying. Actually, in Hindi, they will tell, "Ek na ek din aap success ho jaoge." Like that only I'm trying. Always I'll keep this one and I'll do my work. That time only we are when it comes out, that time only we are busy with the cooking here and there. That time only everything will become messy. Okay, now come on. See, my dal now off boil. Now only you have to add this palak. No, don't add before only because I tried all the way, so it's not working properly. Now only you have to add very little palak in this. Okay. Yeah, that's it. Now you can mix properly. I told you can use it the glass. Yeah, very nice actually. Very easy and maintenance also very easy because easily you can wash it and keep it like this only. Because of that reason only I use this one. Now you can see now how consistency and with the palak, the color. That's what I told you. Don't put more this haldi powder, turmeric powder, because the color will be changed. Now only you can boil it nicely. Okay, that's it. Yeah, I told you, very healthy and easy one. See, yeah, this is the consistency. Now only this is the tip, before don't add the salt in this specially. Okay, now I'm using rock salt. Because why I'm using rock salt, that is a good for health. Next thing is when your gravy items is there, it will be nicely mixed. Okay, now maybe less I think. Now again I'm adding. That's it, yeah. Now your dal is ready. If you want, you can make the tadka. If you don't want, you want to become very healthy, conscious and all, not necessary. Put it little bit ghee in this and eat. That's it. But I'm making tadka with the hing and all, no, that aroma and flavor will be nice. That's it, yeah. Come, we'll make the tadka. That's it, over. Now ghee tadka with what? This is a iron kadai. I'm using. Now we use this hing little bit. That aroma very nice. And all kura cham means rai and urad dal, chana dal, everything. Then what to do? I will call that is all kura cham only. And put according to your taste, you have to take the red chilies. This I like this only. So, and there's the garlic. Yes, ready garlic also. Now saute like this. Up to you. You want more ghee also, nice taste will come. But this is more than enough for us. Okay. See. Color. Now we are adding this one, garlic. And curry leaves also. Ah, nice aroma. There's no rice today. Otherwise, I would have eaten nicely. See the color, yeah. Now you're putting the curry leaves, sorry. Careful, yeah. Pat, no, this curry patta. Now time to tadka in handi dal. That's it. See, okay, again take little dal and mix it and put it over your handi dal pappu. Pesara pappu, palakura, ready. See the, see, okay. Don't even bother when you can make it in the gas itself, mud pot, no problem at all. I told you several times. Okay, ready. That's it, over now. Close it, yeah. The aroma will be remains. That's it. Ready. Now time for taste, yeah. How is this one? I always do like this only. Very, very hot. Very tasty. This will go with the rice. Oh my god, very, very tasty. You people can try. Very easy and healthy one. Come on, yeah, no late. Okay.